The decedent's last will and testament does not contain specific legacies or devices. And Joey's preterition annulled the institution of the heirs. It annulled the institution of the heirs in the last will and testament. The annulment effectively caused the total abrogation of the will. It basically killed the last will and testament as if there is no last will and testament. Result? It will result in total intestacy of the inheritance. The decedent's last will and testament, no matter how valid it may appear extrinsically, formalities-wise, is null and void. So, the conduct of separate proceedings to determine the intrinsic validity of its testamentary provisions would be superfluous. Kote ra kayo, gasto ra kayo. Thus, we cannot attribute error, much less grave abuse of discretion, on the regional trial court for ordering the case to proceed intestate. So that will help you learn the reasons behind the orders of the trial courts as affirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So, more lessons with respect to the interlocutory order to set the case for probate in the next video.